Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install WhatsApp app on iPhone 17 and full setup on your WhatsApp. So look here, I'm take my iPhone 17. So simply open your app store, go to search option, search that to WhatsApp. Just open this, click on, and now it's downloading. Okay, press on to open, and you need to first set up. If you have any account, you just easily log in from here, or if you want to transfer any account, so click on and just transfer. So I'm just transfer my WhatsApp from my old account. So open my WhatsApp, click on to setting option, press on scan, and you just scan this QR code. Okay, press on continue, link device, and scan this QR code again. Okay, now successfully set up my WhatsApp account.